How to put pin on Netflix profile. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can put pin on your Netflix profile, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to put a pin on your Netflix profile, just like whenever you open the Netflix app, you can see that, let me show you, all these profiles are locked with a certain pin. And if you'd like to add the pin to your own Netflix profile as well, you have to just open up your browser, go to netflix.com and log into your account. So remember, I'm talking about browser. Now tap the three lines option here and then just go to the option right here known as account. So just go to this account option. Once you go to account, just scroll down under profile and parental controls. Now the lock icon basically indicates that these profiles are already locked. Now in my case I have all of them locked, so if I have to show you, what you need to do is just tap on this drop down menu. One of the options you'll find under the profile you'll find profile lock. So tap on the change option, and first of all you have to enter your current Netflix account password if you would like to go ahead and enable it, and then tap on continue. Then you have to check this box that says require a pin to access the profile. So when you check this, you'll be asked to enter the pin. Tap on the save option, and that particular Netflix profile will have successfully been locked with a pin. This way you can basically put pin on Netflix profile. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.